Welcome to the prairies. Oh, no, this isn't the prairies. What the? The prairies. The land where it is really flat. The land where you can see your neighbor 2 kilometers away, who really isn't your neighbor. The land where the hills are merely slight inclines. The land of the golden wheat. And the land of the corn. And we also have the occasional trees here and some there. The land where animals of all sorts of beauty come to hang out. With all that set aside, there's lots of hidden beauty, whether it's behind a green wall of trees or under an unturned rock. A lost wanderer might discover its natural beauty.